Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a ruby red metallic 2015 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW LARIAT Crew Cab 4x4, stock number A7463. There are chrome heavy-duty tow hooks, factory fog lights, and a sharp chrome grille here. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Kelly Edge tire. There are chrome running boards along the sides. Inside there's a tan leather upholstery which is in fantastic condition. You have seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger F-250. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a trailer hitch here in the back as well as backup sensors. There is a backup camera. You've got an 8-foot truck bed with a soft tonneau cover which is in great shape. And then inside of the truck bed itself there is a drop-in bed liner, and it is very clean back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door you have buttons for memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There is a Sony premium audio system here. You've got power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. There is a button here for a power adjustable pedal. And as we take a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel here you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side you have your audio controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 6.7-liter V8 engine. Coming over to the center, there's a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You can control your climate from here. Going over to the entertainment screen, you have Sirius capabilities. And then touching the navigation, you can see you also have sync services. Underneath of that, you have additional audio controls and dual climate controls. You have your traction control here as well as 4x4 turn dial control. Coming down further, there is an integrated trailer brake control. If you'd like to get more information on this Ford or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.